our next test today. We're using the Worx Hydroshot 56bar and we're using this, a Kärcher Surface Cleaner. I believe the code for this is a 460 and basically that works with a K7. This is an adapter I got off Amazon. Now this fits in all the items from Kärcher. So just simple, easy connection, just like this. Just goes in and connects. Look at that. And then obviously, as you appreciate, these connect directly onto the ends, like that. Now we'll just add our water to our Worx. Just prime it. And just in case anyone's wondering, this is a Kärcher product. Now this is connected to, a foam cannon. So it just connects straight in if you want to use this. Now I haven't used this, but I can do on a section if necessary. I might well try it out. To start with, we're going to use the surface cleaner on straightforward concrete without this stuff. So let's try this little patch over here. And I'd say that's coming off pretty well, considering this is a Kärcher product with the Worx Hydroshot. So let's look at that bit of floor that we've done. Look, you can see where I've been. Look at that. I'm well impressed with that. I mean, would you think that? A Worx Hydroshot. It just proves the point, doesn't it? So there we go, folks. The Worx Hydroshot and Kärcher. They work together. I am really surprised about that. That works so well. That just proves the point with this one. That has got a bit more power in there than you anticipate, really. These people who say that's just a hose pipe, believe me, you can't put a hose pipe on that and use it. This has just got that little bit of poke. So let's try another item out. Coming up on the channel next, it's a turbo attachment.